Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project folder, then open the integrated terminal immediately. Press Ctrl+ or choose View Terminal to show the console. This is faster than creating external windows. Once done, pick the shell dropdown to choose PowerShell, Command Prompt, Bash, or WSL depending on your environment. Make sure to set the default shell if you want consistency across sessions. You'll see the working directory match the opened folder, which simplifies running scripts and commands right away. Once the terminal is open, run commands directly. npm start Python app. Py or .NET run, you type them where the prompt appears. Use the plus icon to create a new terminal, the split icon to run parallel sessions, and the drop-down to switch profiles. Make sure to use tasks via terminal run task for repeatable builds or test scripts. Tasks run in the integrated console so output is collected. If you need environment variables, configure them in Launch. JSON or tasks. JSON to keep runs reproducible. To finish, close terminals with the trash icon or type exit. This frees resources and keeps the workspace tidy. If a command fails, check the Problems panel, open Help Toggle Developer Tools for errors, and verify path or environment variables. Make sure the selected shell matches your expected tools. If you need a Linux environment, use Remote WSL or Remote Containers. One key troubleshooting tip: if a command isn't found, confirm the shell's path includes your tool and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.